Don't download Tidio Enterprise Customer Engagement app before watching this. Before you download Tidio Enterprise Customer Engagement, here's what most businesses miss. It's not just a chat widget. At the enterprise level, Tidio is a complete engagement platform combining live chat, chatbots, and automated messaging, but most teams make mistakes in setup. Step 1. Define engagement goals. Tidio allows automated responses, live chat, and email follow-ups. Most people get this wrong by enabling everything at once, creating a confusing experience for customers. Step 2. Customize chatbots. Enterprise features let you build AI-driven conversation flows. The surprising truth is, poorly designed bots can frustrate users instead of helping them, so careful planning is essential. Step 3. Integrate with CRM and marketing tools. Tidio shines when it's connected to customer databases and email campaigns. Without integration, you miss opportunities to personalize and automate follow-ups effectively. Step 4. Monitor and optimize. Enterprise analytics track customer interactions, response times, and satisfaction. Teams that act on these insights see higher conversion rates and better engagement. The upside: when implemented correctly, Tidio Enterprise can improve customer response times by up to 60%, boost lead conversion, and create seamless omnichannel experiences. So should you download it? Yes, if your team can design chatbots, integrate systems, and monitor performance. For small businesses with simple support needs, standard plans may be enough. Subscribe for more honest app reviews to ensure your investment drives real results.